Hello guys, welcome back to lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to hard reset Insignia washing machine. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So, if you're having problems with your Insignia washing machine here, resetting it can solve a lot of issues. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to turn off your washing machine. So, first, make sure it's turned off. Now, you want to unplug it from the wall or switch or whichever plug you plug it in. But if you can't reach the actual plug, it's best that you switch off the breaker. Now, again, you need to make sure that it's powered off and there's no electricity running on it. Now, what you need to do is you just need to leave this disconnected for at least 1 minute or longer. So longer the better here. Like maybe disconnected for like an hour or more. Like if you can leave this like a whole day, go ahead and do that. But yeah, once the time is up, you could go and just plug your washing machine back on and turn it on, or turn on the breaker back on and basically turn on your Insignia here. Now, open and close the washing machine door 6 times to trigger the reset. Now, if 6 times doesn't work, you can try up to like 12 times to ensure that the reset is successful. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elenap. Thank you for watching.